this video finds you well, you watch ExquisiteMAD, be sure to like and subscribe. Remember to hit that bell. Today, we're going to be working on a Premier that is behind me here. It does have a few different spots on here that we're going to be specifically addressing and a few different issues. It's going to turn out really well. It's going to turn out great. It's going to turn out a lot better than what it looks right now. This plane has never been detailed before, so it's going to be very, very interesting to see how it's going to come out and see that time lapse, see that transformation, and we're going to share it with you.